It's Devin.
And Jody. And we can hear the birds chirping all around us. So we're going to read
Early Bird.
Ready? Let's start. Early bird likes to wake up early. Let's wake up with the sun, to a big beautiful sun. She stands as tall as she can. Stand super tall with your spine in a straight line and reach up for the sky. She takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. Ready? Let's breathe in through our nose and out. More time. And out. And then the early bird gets going. Let's go, 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 go. She goes across the grass. Ready? Let's lift up and go across the grass, across the swishy, swashy grass. Kick, kick, kick. Let's see where she goes next. Through the flowers. Lift up your beautiful flowers and hold them with your spine so straight. Good job. Under the spider web. Okay, let's bend down like a spider and show me your spider feet. And over the cat. Ready? Cat pose. Arch your spine up. And look up. And arch it up. And look up. Finally, the early bird reaches the garden where she finds, let's see what she's gonna find. Let's look on this side. And let's go on this side. And what do you think she finds? The early worm. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like a worm. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggly worm.
Hope you can be an early bird one day.